Hello my people, it's your boy once again. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not, and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned. Just as we are still crying over the impunity of the Fulani cattle rearers cum terrorist invaders, especially in the southern part of Nigeria, because they are everywhere, the nook and crannies of Nigeria, with their hidden agenda of dominating the indigenous people and intimidating them into submission to the Islamic Muslim agenda. You can see in the video you're about to watch exactly, there are about two videos in this clip. One video is about the movement of cows even after the governors of Southeast banned the public, what they tag public grazing, or either recognized or reinstated the public grazing, the law banning public grazing in the region. This is what was found in Enugu some days ago, as posted by Okurora. Watch how cows and the Fulani underage rearers intimidates the passerbys and the residents of Tinker Corner in Enugu. This is so disheartening. I don't know how the leaders of Southeast, so-called elites, I don't know how they sleep on daily basis, seeing all these things happening. But just like our leader said, the expiration of the 14 days ultimatum will determine the fate of Nigeria. If these people refuse to listen, it means the ultimate disintegration is very nearer than expected.
One, ever I know now about Thinkers Corner Enugu, yeah, residential area. If you don't want to put a via, man, on check a figure fair. Yeah, residential area. One of the most expensive places in Enugu, Thinkers Corner. Go for your Fulani Kogene, Buefineno and Caraganosa. And Thinkers Corner Enugu Jibilico, for all the cable, and no better one. Open where with 10 years on your Fulani, we think on it. If you never do 200 or let's say 150, if I think Thinkers Corner, Mota de Agazi, no one don't want none so safe. You know? Another car, Jokaka Thinkers Corner Enugu Jibili, more than Abayas in Imegota safe. If you Benin, or Konofo, Arapugole feels more than Abakuzi Gota. If you was the of Madam Gota, if I Thinkers Corner Enugu, ever there is son of one former governor. One day, I church him, a former governor of Enugu State. If I Thinkers Corner by Godfrey University, Jesus Christ. Hello, man. If you want to know, I was there, sir. Jesus, come on, go Asrum in a glass. Jesus. You could bring one with you, Nikwanya. So, Kunufo. If I am my bro, believe it. And the Fulani over there. So, I'm not in the Southeast governors. So, second, I fought against anti-grazing, open grazing. No, but I'm call it 10 years. So, I want to terrorize you over there. I will fear terrorize the Thinkers Corner. So, you see. And then when people now can see if you're not going to go. About Madonna, everything did there, nothing will happen. If in car Jokakwa, they for mine na Buruburu na William Biano. Na hope of the man okay, but the governor have meeting na Koeli, no open grazing. If I Enugu Corner, man, police, Miami, everything, law enforcement agencies na Fufa.
The other video you're about to watch now is massive protest going on in the South, specifically the Benin and the Bayelsa area. But the video is basically for the women in Benin protesting the incessant terror meted against the indigenous people, meted against them in their own state. A prince who just returned from abroad was abducted and killed, spelling out the need for this unconditional protest. Although they have been protesting, there are clips available proving the protest for quite a long time. But the fact is that the numbers this time around is very massive, that they are very determined to see that things are done right by the state government. This is what we see in Nigeria. This is a Nigeria that already have anti-grazing law, anti-open grazing law in place, but cannot be enforced by the state government of Nigeria. Watch the clips yourself.
Yeah, live and direct to Uromi Kingdom. Right, live and direct from Uromi Kingdom. Our mothers are protesting against Fulani Herdsmen. All those bandits raping our mother, killing our mother in the bush. We say no. Hey, stop. Our mothers are crying, they are crying. Hey. Our mothers are crying. Fulani must go. Fulani must go. We are tired. We are tired of flopping. Mama, Fulani must go. Fulani must go. We don't want them again. Stand for the right. Fulani must go. Fulani must go. Fulani must go. We don't want them again. This is our land. We don't want Fulani again. We don't want them again. This is our land. No more raping. No more raping. Our mothers are not free. They are afraid to go to the farm. Fulani must go. Fulani must go. We don't want them again. Fulani must go. Fulani must go. Fulani must go. We want peace. We want love. Fulani must go. We don't want Fulani again. We don't want Fulani again. Fulani must go. Fulani must go. Fulani must go. No more Fulani Herdsmen in our land again. They must go. We don't want them again. No more raping. No more killing. Thank you. Live in Uromi. Women coming out en masse to say